medical line and in the medical field. I'm going to just speak briefly, then I'll leave the room open for your questions, so we'll be able to ask questions. All right? Now, just a brief introduction about medicine. You know, where medicine is now is not where medicine used to be. Then when people were sick, they would go and look for herbs. People noticed that, okay, they are sick, they take this kind of leaf and take it. Something changes in their body, they feel better. But you cannot keep giving people leaves every day. So things started changing, started knowing what was inside the leaves, started knowing different things. The microscope came and people were able to study the cells, study the blood, see how things react. And basically it has evolved to where we are. So that right now, just a little blood from you will be able to tell a lot about the person. We can tell how old the person is. You can just see a lot of things. Medicine has become very wide right now. Do you understand? Okay, but right now, where we are, I'm going to just be very brief. Don't worry, she'll take that time. We're just getting to know each other. Where we are right now, because of how medicine is now so big, we have various specialties in medicine. And I'm going to mention the 4 major specialties, and then I'll also mention others. But the 4 major specialties we have are medicine, and what medicine does is they treat you, they give you drugs, they check you what is wrong with you. Then we have what you call obstetrics and gynecology. In obstetrics and gynecology, the doctors who are in this field, they look only at ladies. They take care of only women and whatever problems women have. Then you have what you call the pediatricians. Now, the pediatricians, what they do is take care of children. So any baby till 10, 12 years old, the doctor specializes in those children. Then you have the surgical team or the surgery department. And what the surgery does is, if there's any need for surgery, then those doctors are the one that specializes in them. Now, those are the 4 major specialties we have in the medical field. But each of these specialties also have subspecialties in them. So it's just like a tree with branches, a tree with 4 branches, and each of these branches have another branch. Sorry. I'll put my phone on silent. So each of these branches have different branches. Now, in surgery, just think about the human body. So in the human body, can you just give me 4 major parts in the body that you know of? Just 4 major parts, okay?
The heart.
The heart.
Lungs.
The lungs.
Kidney.
The kidney.
The esophagus.
The esophagus. I hope anything you're saying, you know where it is. You're not just saying where it is. Okay. Okay. Liver. Thank you. Any other person? What of the leg? What of the hand? What of the eye? Just anything you can think of in the human body, there's a doctor for it. The brain, there's a doctor for it. So in surgery, from head and neck, you have what you call the neurosurgeon. What they treat is just the brain and anything from the head. For the eye, you have the ENT, the ear, nose, and throat doctor. All they do specializes is anything that is the ear, the nose, throat. Remember, this is still surgery, but the surgery has different parts. You have doctors that their only work is anything bone. You call them the orthopedic doctors. Anywhere there's a bone, they can go and look for it and treat it. And so if somebody breaks his leg or is involved in an accident, the orthopedic surgeon specializes mostly on the bones. Then you also have the plastic surgeons. What the plastic surgeon does is anything about the skin. Maybe somebody's nose is very big like this, he doesn't like his nose again, the plastic surgeon can make it small. Maybe somebody's hand, if you notice some people, they had a fire accident and maybe 3 of their hands are now joined together. They can't separate it. The plastic surgeon can do surgery and it's opened. So any specialty you can think of, you have subspecialties on it. Now if you're talking about children have different sicknesses and diseases. So you have also doctors who